The courts once again directed Adiala Jail authorities to ensure Imran Khan's rights are granted to him as per the jail manual. He hasn't been allowed to speak to his children for weeks, while also being denied access to his exercise bike. Earlier this month, he was caged for over 22 and a half hours in a day in a death cell for many days. Imran Khan has been arbitrarily detained for 454 days. PTI's parliamentary leaders spoke to reporters outside Adiala Jail after being denied entry in contravention of court orders to meet Imran Khan. Jail authorities had preconditioned the meeting to PTI leaders signing affidavits stating they would not engage in political discussions, which they refused to do. Leader of the opposition, Imran Khans, said that instead of asking political leaders not to engage in political activities, it would be better for the military and intelligence agencies to stop their interference in politics. The new phase of public mobilization against Pakistan's undeclared martial law regime begins on Friday, November 8th, kicking off with a rally in Peshawar. PTI's Secretary General, Barrister Salman Akram Raja, says that the upcoming protests will be a national movement. He added that the entire nation now must push back, rising to defend their fundamental rights and secure the future of their children. The Blue World Consortium has submitted the only bid for a 60% stake in Pakistan International Airlines, offering 10 billion rupees against the Privatization Commission's minimum price of 85 billion rupees. The collapse of PIA's privatization comes as Pakistan faces mounting pressure from the International Monetary Fund to reform its fiscal policies. Under an IMF loan program, Pakistan committed to divesting state-owned enterprises like PIA to help stabilize its economy. PTI's leadership in the US is actively engaged in educating key American leaders about the state of democracy and human rights in Pakistan. Sajjad Burki and Atif Khan joined a group of Pakistani American physicians in a detailed roundtable discussion with Lara Trump, co-chair of the Republican National Committee. They briefed her in detail about the situation in Pakistan and the ill treatment of Imran Khan. Lara Trump instructed her staff to continue engagement and support.